Samsung is putting the final nail in the coffin for its own messaging app. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The smartphone maker posted an end-of-service announcement on its website, revealing that the Samsung Messages app will no longer be available by July of this year. Samsung also recommended that anyone still using Samsung Messages should switch over to Google Messages as their default messaging app. For Samsung Messages users in the US, the switch to Google offers RCS messaging that lets you send high-quality media, join group chats, and get real-time typing indicators no matter the smartphone's OS. Galaxy smartphone owners may lose out on some of the Samsung Messages customization options, but Google Messages will make up for it. It's generative AI from Gemini that can remix your photos and chats. On top of those features, Google Messages makes it easier for Samsung users to switch chats between a smartphone, tablet, or smartwatch. It's no surprise that Samsung's only using Google Messages from now on, since it's been phasing out Samsung Messages for a few years now. Dating back to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, and then followed by the Galaxy S25 series, the new Samsung phones came without the Samsung Messages app, and they have the Google Messages app pre-installed instead. Thought the Samsung Messages app is still available on the Galaxy Store, but Samsung said the exact final date will eventually be announced on the app itself. For now, we just know that it's going to be some Sunday in July when Samsung Messages will go dark. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.